Good morning, student. Today we are going to see 6th standard social science economics unit 1 economics on introduction. What is the meaning of economics? Economics means money value, trade, and then consumption, production. The basic economic concept is four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and organization. There is the basic concept of the four factors of production. Land, we give the rent, and then labor, give the wages. Land, labor, capital, interest, and then capital, organization, profit or loss. All the things are the basic economics activity. What are the economic activities? Production, consumption, distribution, and exchange. What are the learning objectives? We see the understand the meaning of Sandai, and then idea about the barter system, and then gain the knowledge about the various kinds of occupation. Here we see the barter system. What is the meaning of barter system? Barter system means there is a exchange of goods for goods. There is a no money value. That is called a barter system. The barter system is in a traditional method. That is the goods for goods. We are exchanging the goods for goods. Rice for wheat. Here we see the consumer goods. What is the meaning of market? Market means there is a buyer and seller in the market. Who is the buyer? Who is the buyer? We are a buyer. Who is the seller? Selling the goods. That person is called a seller. Here we see the consumer goods. Who is consumer? We are a consumer. The finished goods which are bought from the market to fulfill the daily needs of the consumer is called consumer goods. We are purchasing the rice, cloth, bicycle, etc. These things are consumer goods. These things are finished product of the goods is called a consumer goods. Who is consumer? We are a consumer. We consume some product, we get the satisfaction. That is the consumer goods. Daily we are using a goods. That is called a consumer goods. Next we see Sandai. Here we see the Sandai in village once in a week or a month. All the things are sold in a particular place. That is called a Sandai. In a specific time to meet the needs of the people. That is called a Sandai. Specific period of time and all the goods are sold in a particular place. That is called a Sandai. Agriculture. In economics, there are three sectors. First sector is a primary sector, second one is a industry sector, third one is a service sector. First, primary sector. Primary sector means agriculture is a primary sector. Primary sector gives the raw material to the industrial sector. That is a secondary sector. The secondary sector produce the goods to completed the goods and bring out the Sandai finished product. That is the primary sector. And then the service sector means the service sector, life insurance, bank, and hotel management. All the things are hotel and cinema theaters. These are the service sectors. In olden days we have to system to exchanging the goods from the other goods is called a barter systems. A person who rice in a surplus of the person who has cloth in surplus, they are exchanging the goods, cloth for rice. That is called the barter systems. Here we can see the permanently near the riverside, the permanent settlement were called the villages. Agriculture remains to be root of our economy even today. Man has no limits for his demand and desire. Based on this, man started to learn the new occupation. Those who are involved in the farming and grazing is called farmers or cultivators. In agricultural field, very important occupation in villages are agriculture. That person is called a farmer. Those who are involving the informing the grazing and farming are called a farmers or cultivators. Agriculture is the primary occupation. Agricultural industries are helpful in the economic development of our country. Country's economy is based on three economic activities are fulfilled easily. These are small shops, vegetables, and then like a rice, pulses, and added our milk, sugar cane, cultivator villages, such as mustard also. Gandhiji said that the villages are the backbone of our country. India is a mixed economy. Here we see the public and private sectors are coexist. Then only India is a mixed economy. Gandhiji said that the villages are the backbone of our country. Villages are the backbone of our country. This picture is agriculture and then primary sector. This picture is industry secondary sector. This is service sector. Today what we see, what is the meaning of economics and what are the economic activities? Basic economics, four factors of production: land, labor, capital and organization. And then we see the Sandai, and then what is the meaning of barter system, and then we see the three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. What is the meaning of barter system? Remaining part of the lesson will be taken on next day. Thank you, student.